I'm an adult learner from Philadelphia.
I'm from Cincinnati.
I'm from Hurricane, Mexico.
I'm from California and I chose state
because I wanted a small school.
It's convenient.
I wanted a strong elementary education program.
Because it's an HBCU.
I love the people at State.
I love learning in the Cancer Research Lab.
My professors want me to succeed.
Now they make me work for the grade.
State is definitely preparing me for the future that I want.
I'm being prepared for dental school.
A research scientist.
Once you choose State,
you're gonna love State.
Find your passion
at wvstateu.edu.